We had such a great session on Thursday, the 24th, when I showed you how to use inbound marketing to attract the right people to your profile, to your page, to your group, and how you can save a lot of time, effort, and money. But it would not be complete unless I show you the vehicle to drive this traffic. Tilly Davies here, and I thought to pop in quick because I have to share with you what we are going to discuss on Thursday, the 3rd of March, in our webinar and masterclass. You see, the vehicle, the key to success on LinkedIn is content, and we've heard it so many times. And the key really within that content is to have clarity on your message. That is going to drive everything for you. I'm going to show you on Thursday how likes, shares, and comments are just vanity metrics. What you are looking for is that your content will convert your leads, your prospects into clients. How you can get your message across. I'm also going to show you why storytelling as sold to you is just a lie, and that it should in fact be story selling. I'm going to give you a 7-step framework of how you need to write your content, how you need to follow this framework to ensure that your message is clear and that there is absolutely no confusion, and that through this you're going to drive traffic to the right people with the right message at the right time. So don't miss out on the webinar on Thursday, the 3rd of March at 11 a.m. South African time. Be there and be successful on LinkedIn, and come and learn how to grow your business the easy way. I look forward to meeting you on Thursday. Be there. I'll see you then. Thank you very much. Tilly Davies here. Bye-bye.